Welcome to the deep dive. Today we are getting straight into it. We're looking at two huge CRM platforms, Monday and Pipedrive, and we're just going to cut right through the marketing noise to see what it's really like to use them.
Exactly. Our mission today is to use the sources we've gathered to really expose the hidden costs and the technical problems that are already causing headaches for businesses in 2025. This is your shortcut to knowing what you're getting into.
And it all starts with that initial promise, right?
Yeah.
The bait. Both of them advertise these really low prices, something like $12 to $14 per user per month.
If you pay annually.
Right, if you pay annually.
Yeah.
And that sounds great until you actually try to, grow your business.
That initial price is, it's completely disconnected from the reality of scaling. Let's talk about Monday first, because they have this classic seat requirement trap.
Okay, so what is that?
Well, if you're a solopreneur, just one person, you still have to pay for a minimum of 3 seats just to get started.
Wait, really? So you're paying triple from day one. You're paying triple. And it gets worse. When you need to add more people, you can't just add one. You have to buy them in bundles of 5.
Wow. That's a huge hurdle right out of the gate. You're always paying for seats you don't even have.
Now compare that to Pipedrive. They let you scale one user at a time, which sounds much fairer.
It sounds better.
It sounds better, but they trap you with features. The moment you need just one little upgrade, maybe a specific reporting tool or something, boom, you're forced into a much, much more expensive tier.
So one starts expensive, the other gets expensive really fast.
You got it. The bill just progressively skyrockets.
So if the money traps weren't enough, the sources we found point to some really shocking technical problems. The complaints against Pipedrive they're just relentless.
Oh, they're incredibly specific. We're talking about the whole platform just freezing.
Yeah.
Images and customer profiles randomly failing to load. Email signatures that just vanish.
And the sync problems. Constant sync problems.
That kind of daily friction just wears you down. We found this one anecdote. It was an 8-year Pipedrive customer. The 8-year customer, right. What was their story?
They reported spending an entire day every single week just managing technical glitches and workarounds.
A whole day. Just think about that hidden labor cost.
Exactly. Now, Monday's issues, on the other hand, they seem to be more about billing and just sheer performance.
Right. I saw reports of users being billed for phantom seats. What does that even mean?
It means a 5-person team was getting a bill for 10 people, things like that. And then you have the platform itself just freezing up under what seems like a pretty modest workload, dashboards in particular.
And just when you think it can't get worse, we have to talk about what happened in 2024.
Yes. This is, I think, the ultimate insult, the pricing betrayals.
This was the real gut punch in the sources. So with Monday, they didn't just raise rates, they started unbundling features.
Things that used to be included in your plan were suddenly separated into their own paid subscriptions. They basically made you pay again for tools you already had.
And Pipedrive's move was arguably even worse.
Oh, I'd say so. According to the sources, they moved users who were explicitly promised legacy pricing, that they could keep their old rate, and just switch them to the new, higher rates, often without any clear consent.
That just shatters any trust you'd have in a platform.
Completely.
So, with all this on the table, the hidden costs, the tech debt, the broken promises, how do you possibly make a choice?
It's no longer about which one has the best features. It's about which set of problems you're willing to tolerate.
A lesser of two evils situation.
Pretty much. Look, if you need a pure, dedicated sales CRM with really robust pipeline tools, Pipedrive is still the specialist. You just have to accept that it's going to be technically unstable and frustrating to scale.
Okay, and what about Monday?
If your priority is more about versatility, like project management with CRM functions, Monday gives you that big picture view. But you have to be okay with the mandatory seat costs up front and, the risk of billing errors and the platform freezing.
So the upfront cost defines Monday, and the ongoing technical friction defines Pipedrive.
That's a perfect way to put it. What this all really shows is that the sticker price they advertise is almost irrelevant. The real cost is in the operational friction and the hidden scaling fees over the long term.
Considering that Pipedrive came from that specialized sales world and Monday came from project management, this whole deep dive just brings up a huge question for me.
Yeah.
Can one platform actually be great at both highly specialized sales management and broad visual project workflows? Or is the kind of instability we're seeing here just inevitable when they try to do too much? Something to think about.